Welcome to Homework Lib.
Over here we're told that when 5 grams of ammonium chloride are going to be dropped to 100 milliliters of water, the temperature drops by 4.2 degrees Celsius. In this case, what is going to happen is that the heat released from the solution released is going to be equal to the heat absorbed by water. With this information, we want to know how much would the temperature change if 10 grams is added to 1000 milliliters of water. So for this, we're going to have the delta H for the solution is going to be related to the heat of the solution that we're going to have. So in this case, let's say that actually we're not going to calculate it, but the units for this would be joules per gram or joules per mole. You can find it on either of them, but what we're going to have is that the mass times delta H, in this case mass of NH4Cl, is going to be equal to mass of water times heat capacity of water times delta T for water. So what is going to happen when we go from 5 grams and 100 grams to a larger amount? Well, what we can do is that if we look for the solution for the change of temperature of water, what we see is that it is going to be related to the ratio of the masses. So if I double the initial amount, then if I double the initial amount of ammonium chloride, then the delta T initial would be multiplied by 2. And if I increase by 10 the amount of water, then the delta T would decrease by 10. So what we're going to get is that the new delta T is going to be equal to 2 times divided by 10 the delta T initial, which is 1/5. In this case, we had minus 4.2, and divided by 5, we would get a delta T of minus 0.84 degrees Celsius. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.